Hi, to change ringtone on your POCO X7, first thing first we need to open settings on the phone and here find sounds and vibration tab. After that, simply choose ringtone and now you'll see this many themes for the ringtone. So we got many categories such as love, message, party and so on. You can even check this tab hot hits. So you can select a song by tapping it. And now you should add volume, and if you wanna listen the song, just tap it. And here it is. To set it as your current ringtone, tap the bell icon and tap OK to select this ringtone. Just check all of the available options, and also we can go back to the top panel. And here you can go in pre-installed ringtones. Choose ringtone and check default options from Xiaomi. So you can go in system, you can select something, for example, let's choose fantasy. And now to listen it, I just need to add volume. So here, if you tap any song, it would be automatically set as your ringtone, so it is enough to simply go back. And if you wanna add your custom ringtone, you should go in this tab choose local. Here you can select something from your recorded app or from audio files or from your music app. So if you got any songs installed, you should see it in your music app and you can simply select it by tapping and then tap OK. After that, you should see a lot of advertising, just skip it. And now, you can see your custom song in this My Ringtones tab. So don't forget to tap button Apply if you wanna set it as your current ringtone. So here tap OK, and now it is applied successfully. So we can just go back in our settings, and now we can see the name of this song on the ringtone tab, meaning this is our current ringtone. So yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.